To customize a lock screen in Realme GT 7 Pro, first let's open our settings. And there's two sections that we can adjust our lock screen with. First one is wallpaper and style. When we enter it, we can go to the theme that is currently in use. And then there's the lock screen section. You can change wallpaper, style, and also you can click right here on the clock to customize a clock with different style options. Then when you're ready and set, we can click on apply. And our lock screen have changed. Now let me show you the other options. So when we go back, we can move to home screen and lock screen. Then there's the entire section dedicated to the lock screen right here. We can enable wallpaper carousel, which will change the wallpapers on our lock screen automatically when active. We can enable raise to wake. When you pick up your phone, it will wake up without touching any buttons. You can also enable double tap to turn on or off screen, which when you double tap onto your screen, it will wake it up and move to lock screen, or just lock it down. We can also show media player on lock screen as well, and we can adjust our lock screen shortcut, in this case only left one. And we can enable pocket mismatch prevention, which will reduce the touch sensitivity for your pocket in your pocket when it's really dark. And then we can move back and also enter notifications. And right here we can enable or disable notifications for our lock screen, which is everything actually that you can do for your lock screen customization.